Hey. You can get down the stairs. See? Just like that. So we have Polly, Nick, and that's Sally going up the stairs and freaking out. What you doing? Are you exploring? Sally, I don't think you understand how stairs work yet. You're getting good at it though, Polly. Help, I forgot how to goat. Hey, Nick. Nick's the only boy out of the baby goats. You can do it, come on. Good girl. Hey. With the camera. Yeah, look at all the things. Look at all the things. Hey? They're so curious. This is them just playing around, having fun, figuring out stairs. Go on, go up the stairs. What you chewing on? They chew these things, but they don't eat anything. Sally, you got no idea what's going on. Hey, yeah, I'm here. You suckling? I better put this camera cord around my neck. Hey, yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. I can't get a good camera vision if you're that close, Polly. Yeah. I just fed you. You shouldn't be hungry. I'm covered in goats. Nick's suckling on my finger like it's a bottle. Is that nice, is it? You're stepping on my feet. What are you doing? Okay, you're very itchy. Let's get it. Maybe you got allergies. I think you really forgot how to goat. guys run around, play. Don't fall. Oh, sweetheart. What are you doing? What are you doing? Alright, let's see if I can put you back in the pens. Come on. Come on. Good girl, Polly. You're the leader. Yeah? Good girl. Good girl. Come on. Look how obedient you all are. Yeah. And now I have to make an escape. Oh, that's my legs. Okay. So I walk around this way. And then I run. Oh. Too quick for you. Too quick for you. Alright, say goodbye to the camera.